All right, we're open. All right. Nasdaq's kind of selling off there to start the day. Nice little big sell off there. We rejected that 148 level. We weren't able to hold it up there, so careful of that. Tesla was not able to hold above that 175.20 either. So Nasdaq's actually pushing up here. It's breaking up. Let's see, what level do we have next for Nasdaq? Currently at the 155. It's rejecting it again. Next level after that would be that 254 and then 330. We're rejecting right here. Pretty big rejection. We can make a move all the way down to 12,085. Tesla below that 172.25 is a good short. Right there, just broke. I'm still waiting just because it's kind of choppy this morning. It's just bouncing around. Pretty choppy on Nasdaq. It's just kind of back and forth right now so far. You could get faked out going short, going long as well. So just gonna wait. Tesla selling off nicely there. See if Tesla wants to bounce a little high back to that 173 for a short. I would have gone short there on Nasdaq, but these big dips and jumps, like it jumps back up pretty high really quick, so I could easily get faked out on one of these candles. So I'm gonna just wait, maybe see if it wants to choose its direction, and then we can make a move all the way down to to 85. So Nasdaq it's going there. We're looking for that 85 level for a bounce. Nice sell off. We're about 20 handles away for that 85 level. All right, let's see if we can continue the sell-off after this bounce right here. We're looking for that 85 level for a bounce. Got a good bounce there. Could see a rejection here on Nasdaq at that VWAP and EMA. Same with Tesla. We start breaking below that 172 level. Tesla just broke that pretty quick. Wasn't able to jump in on that. Ooh, that look at that fake. Oh god, imagine you short there and look at this. It turns around on you like this. Today's been very whipsawing back and forth. That's ugly. Not a fan of these days. Starting to get that rejection again. So, I mean, that candle ruined it though, how it sold off like that and then it bounced. It's probably going to start to bounce again back up to that 148. It's ugly. Don't be surprised if we get back to the open at 140s, 150s. I'm just chopping back and forth here. I think I'm gonna go short on Tesla here. It's having trouble breaking above, and Nasdaq looks like it kind of wants to break down here. I got in on those Tesla puts right there for $3.99 each with the 170 puts. Let's see if we start to break below that 172.20. We would like to see that break below 171.90 to see a real move. It's a good move right there. Big move on Nasdaq. Let's see if Tesla could continue that to some new lows. There we go. I'm about to sell it right here. Okay, I got rid of them there at 425. Not the best. Oh, wow, it hit 435, but I got filled at 425. It's all right. 78 bucks, not bad. I'll take it. Nasdaq's starting to bounce there. See what I'm talking about? Today it's been very whipsawing back and forth. You know, you get a big candle down, and then you get the next candle is a big candle back up. So that's why I kind of got rid of that quick, just because I know it doesn't have any follow through today. So you have to be careful with that. So it's now we're bouncing back up. Looks like we might get back above that 130. This thing's kind of, like I said, it's kind of been just back and forth. So we have, I think we have some news at 7 o'clock. Let's see what we have today at 7. Today's the first. We have ADP, which already came out. We have the PMI, which came out already. So we have manufacturing and job openings, quiz, construction spending. We have the Fed's fund rate today. We have Jerome Powell at 2:30 Eastern. It's kind of just been stuck in the zone though, like this whole morning. It's kind of just been like whipsawing back and forth. So we're bouncing there. We're probably gonna make our way back up to 148. So we rejected that 148 level here that we have. Very, very slow day today. I think they're just everybody's kind of just waiting on the sidelines for Jerome Powell to speak. I might just call it a day here actually. It's pretty slow action. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day there. So we're gonna end it with $78 profit. All right, so we're gonna call it a day there. $78 profit on Tesla puts. Ooh, big Tesla. Before I get out, look at this Tesla pump right here. What's going on? Is there news on Tesla? What did I miss? We have data coming out at 7 a.m., but I think it's just nothing crazy big until ISM manufacturing jobs opening as well and construction, but it's at 10 a.m. You got 6 more minutes for that. Damn, this Tesla pump is huge. It's a big boy pump right here. I might have to jump in again on some puts. If we overextend up to that 176 area. Oh my god, look at that Tesla pump. There has to be news on Tesla. I'm just not getting it. Right at that 175, starting to reject a bit. I want to see if this wants to extend to 176, because Nasdaq's pushing up now. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Not gonna force this one. The next big level is 177.85. I don't think it'll hit that, but this pump was big, so we might see a little bit more of a push with Nasdaq pushing up there. This needs to push up in the next 2 minutes, or if not, I'm not going to push in because we have data coming out at 7 a.m. There goes Tesla. The push is continuing. Let's see if we can see that 177.85. Can we see that 177.85 on Tesla? We have to do it within the next minute for me to jump in. Come on, Tesla, you can do it. I don't want to jump in at 7 a.m., so I'm trying to get in before that. I jumped in there on those Tesla puts again at 320. Let's see if we get a big sell-off here. Down to 173, 174. Nasdaq's kind of bounced there pretty hard, so maybe not. I took those because I saw Nasdaq breaking down pretty hard, and I thought that Tesla was going to do that as well. I wonder what was the catalyst for this Tesla pump here. It's pretty strong. We jumped up almost what, $3. Let's see if this wants to break down to 174. If it holds here at 175, I'm gonna have to get out. Okay, broke 175. Let's see a flush down. I took it there at 320. What the fuck? How'd I get in for what? How'd I just break even on those? I thought I got in for way less. That's what sucks about buying market, because, man, these fills are horrible. Alright, I'm going to call it a day there, like I said earlier. Hope everybody made some money. Alright, so we made $78 today on some Tesla puts. I'm going to go ahead and call it a day there. Hopefully everybody made some money.